In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add isometric dimensions in AutoCAD. If you've ever drafted an isometric view and your dimensions looked flat or skewed, this walkthrough will clear that up. The key is to get AutoCAD to understand which isometric plane you're working on and then let it align your dimensions automatically. We'll move through 4 simple actions and I'll add helpful context so you know why each one matters. First, switch to an isometric view. You can do this quickly using the view cube in the upper right corner of your drawing area or by typing view and choosing an isometric preset like SE Isometric. This view sets up the visual perspective so your model appears in that classic pseudo 3D orientation. It doesn't change your geometry, but it's essential for seeing and placing dimensions that match the isometric faces you're working with. If your scene looks off, try zooming and panning to frame the face you plan to dimension so placement is clean and legible. Next, type dimplan and press enter. Dimplan tells AutoCAD that the dimensions you're about to place should live on a specific isometric plane rather than on the default flat screen plane. Think of it as aligning the dimensioning tool with the slanted face you see in the isometric view. This is the crucial step that ensures your extension lines, dimension line, and text orientation look right for an isometric drawing. You'll now be prompted to select the isoplane, choose the one that matches the face you're dimensioning, 1 for top, 2 for left, or 3 for right. As a quick mental check, picture the 3 visible faces of a simple isometric box. The top plane is the one you'd place a lid on, the left plane leans down to the left, and the right plane leans down to the right. Pick the plane that aligns with the face your measurement belongs to. If your dimension preview doesn't look correct, cancel and rerun dimplan to pick a different plane. Finally, place your dimension. Click the 2 points you want to measure, then pull out to position the dimension line. AutoCAD will automatically align the dimension so it matches the isometric plane you chose. Keep an eye on clarity. Pull the dimension away just enough for clean extension lines and readable text. If your dimensions look too small or large, adjust your dimension style and scale before you continue so everything stays consistent. And that's it. Set your isometric view, run dimplan, choose top, left, or right, and then place the dimension. With those steps, your isometric dimensions will look professional and perfectly aligned.